Mapayapang hapon Pilipinas! Ito po ang inyong balerina ng bayan, si Lisa Macuja Elizalde, na bumabati sa lahat ng nakikinig sa DZRH Radio at sa mga nanonood sa DZRH TV, lalo na sa ating mga kasamahang alagad ng sining at kultura sa buong bansa. Hindi biro ang tumagal ng 4 na dekada sa isang industriyang napakabilis magbago, kung saan ang kasikatan ay madalas na panandalian lamang at ang mga mukha at pangalan ay madaling mapalitan. In the fickle world of the entertainment industry, staying relevant is one big challenge, but staying excellent is something else entirely. Sa hapong ito, makakasama natin ang isang bituin ng musika na hindi lang basta nagtagal, kundi patuloy na nagniningning. From breaking boundaries to navigating life's unexpected turns, she has redefined what it means to endure, to evolve, and to inspire, earning the respect of her peers and the admiration of a new generation of artists. Kaya't huwag kayong aalis, samahan ninyo kami sa kalahating oras ng masayang kwentuhan kasama ang tinaguriang Asia's Nightingale, Miss Lani Misalucha. Magbabalik ang Art to Art pagkatapos ng ilang paalala.
Programang hatid ay sining at kulturang para sa lahat. Magbabalik ang Art to Art.
Tinesting, sinuri, siniyasan. Ang resulta? Super effective ang Shield sa pagpatay ng bakterya at virus. Shield Antibacterial Soap. Believe ang mga eksperto sa Philippine Nurses Association. At si Mami.
Tiwala ako sa Shield.
Shield Antibacterial Soap. Napatunayang mabisa. Ang mga nurse, tiwala.
Hello, Washi! Laundry day na naman!
Yay! Anong meron?
Mancha ng chocolate, putik, may libag pa.
Kaya natin yan! With Pride Washing Machine Detergent, may triple stain-away formula. Tanggal ang makapit, madikit, at malupit na dumit mancha. Kaya easy-easy ang labada.
Mula noon hanggang ngayon.
All you need is pride. All you need is pride. ACS.
Usapang sining at kultura para sa lahat. Art to Art.
Nandito pa rin tayo sa Art to Art at kasama natin sa hapong ito, one of the country's most successful and iconic musical artists, now celebrating 4 decades in the industry, Miss Lani Misalucha. Magandang hapon, Lani!
Magandang hapon din sa iyo.
Welcome to Art to Art.
Thank you so much. Thank you for having me. And
Pero of course, hindi ito first time sa nating magkatrabaho
Magkasama,
and
yes.
magkasama and magkita. Because nakaalala mo ba yung days natin ng ballet and
of
ballads?
course. I'm telling you, I want to let you know that I really had a great time doing that. Only because, of course, you know, we get to mingle with a lot of young people. Young people talaga. Parang naman young pa rin naman tayo nung that time. No, the beauty of it is because, you know, we go to different universities and then punta tayo sa probinsya.
Talagang it was ballet for the masses.
Correct.
And, you know, with ballet and ballads,
Correct.
talagang nag-merge yung
Correct.
music and dance
Yes.
in one. So,
Ang ganda nun, ang
ang
ganda
naalala
nun.
kong lagi naming finale with you was Bukas na lang kita mamahalin. And it was danced by five women, I think, or 3 pairs.
Yeah.
Basta, it was like such a moving number talaga.
Oh.
At lahat kami kumakanta sa likod. Mga frustrated singer.
Yeah, masaya po yun. Masaya po yung mga time na yun. Sa totoo lang. Dahil nga, you know, she was able to, you know, bring ballet to the masses. And we can really actually see their appreciation, di ba? No, yung mga...
Actually, buhay pa ang ballet and ballads.
That's good.
So, sana maimbitahin ka namin.
Bakit naman hindi?
Yes,
That would be
okay.
nice.
Promise,
That
ha?
would be
Sige.
nice. Yeah.
But syempre, happy anniversary and belated happy birthday.
Thank you. Thank you.
So, 40 years in the industry, and August 3, birthday mo.
Yes,
Belated happy
August 3.
birthday.
Thank
Wow.
you.
I mean, it's a big milestone for any artist, you know, to reach 40 years. So pag-usapan natin ang darating mong anniversary concert mamaya-maya.
Sige.
Pero bago yan, magbalik tanaw muna tayo.
Okay.
So let's go back to the very, very first time you went on stage and sang.
Oh gosh. Parang, sandali. Parang yung pag ganito mga edad, di ba? Marami ka ng mga little bits na moments na nalilimutan mo na di ba? Pag ganito mga, alam mo na, sabihin na natin ng mga middle aged, mga ganyan. Wait a minute. I think that will be nung 15 years old ako noon. When I joined Andres Bonifacio Concert Chorus. This is headed by and owned by Jerry Dadap. Yung Andres Bonifacio Concert Chorus is, what we do is two separate groups, parang isang choral and yung isa na mga group is mga actors. Pero marami dun sa choral na nandito rin sa grupo ng mga actors. So we do the life of Andres Bonifacio. So it's a play. I think it was a two-part play. And then karamihan doon ng mga kinakanta namin mga ibang compositions ni Jerry Dada. So yun I think yun yung first ko na parang professional na.
So but you were 15, you were a student. You were 15, you were a student,
Yes.
no?
Yes.
Okay, at
Correct.
that time.
Yes.
And was that the time na nakapasok ka sa industriya?
I would say parang ito na yung start.
Yeah.
ng I was already in fourth year high school when I joined Andres Bonifacio Concert Chorus. I think para sa akin parang parang professional
Yes.
level kasi nga
Yes.
you get to work and then of course in turn you get paid. So kaya parang yun na yung somehow parang start.
Okay. And then, pumasok ka sa mga competitions or, what happened to continue?
Well, sa competition, I really never joined singing competition. For one, okay, here. Pareho ng parents ko, they are very, they're very much into music. My dad plays the piano, he plays the violin and the flute, ganyan. And ang boses, kumakanta rin ng father ko, ang boses niya tenor. And then my mom, she loves to sing as well, but not on the professional level. She's in a different field. She was with PLDT for the longest time. Soprano naman ang boses niya. Okay? So, but I'm telling you, even if my parents are like that, they're very much into music, hindi sila nag-encourage sa amin na mga anak nila to be in the music industry.
Okay.
They would actually be discouraging us. And si Ate May, my older sister, after high school, she already told our parents that she wanted to take up music.
Yeah.
And major in voice. Pero talagang parang it stopped there, right there. So she ended up taking psychology.
Okay, all right.
Pero no matter how you want your kids to be positioned in a certain way, wala, ganun pa rin ang na umuwi ang sister ko. Nag-join pa rin siya ng choir, alam mo yun, she joined the band.
Okay.
And she's more of a theater actress, really, So, yun ang dun eh. Hindi ako naging kumbaga, hindi ako talaga sa music.
Yeah.
But then, napunta pa rin ako.
Okay. So what would you consider your biggest break as a solo artist?
I would say, gosh, you know what? It was 1996 when the Metropop bumalik sila. Kasi, for some number of years, di ba parang nag-stop yung Metropop, di ba? And then, bumalik ng 1996, doon yung very first ko na salihan na competition. But not singing contest.
Yeah.
I was just one of the interpreters
I see.
of one of the
Yeah.
compositions of the composers. So never na singing contest. Never akong ano.
Okay. Well, kilala ka, of course, sa malawak na vocal range and your versatility. So you can sing anything from classical to pop to R&B. So at what point did you realize that, you had this rare gift and was there a particular genre that you still haven't tried pero gusto mong subukan?
Oo nga, no? Oo nga, kasi parang sa mga shows na ginagawa ko, I would, try to inject a little bit of rock or a little bit of jazz, ganyan. Oo nga, di ko pa alam kung ano pa yung hindi ko na-try kasi nag-rock ako, nag-jazz, of course, classical music, ballad, syempre, kasama na yun doon. So, yeah, might have to, maybe reggae. I don't know. I don't know. Maybe, I don't know. Pero yun nga, I've been wanting to experiment in different, type of music para, not because I want to really push myself. It just, I just wanted to discover if I'll be able to do, certain things. Yeah.
Okay. Well, sabi nga nila, every artist has a moment that changes everything. What's that moment for you?
Oh gosh, I think it would be the time when my husband and I got sick we contracted bacterial meningitis. It happened in 2020.
During the pandemic?
During the pandemic. It was October. Like, talagang kaming dalawa, both of us fell ill.
Yeah.
And the effect of that is we lost our hearing. Both of us are partially deaf now.
Okay.
And not only that, the damage, the other damages were vestibular disorder. Wherein, parang kang laging nahihilo. Hindi parang nahihilo, talagang nahihilo. Because since, hindi na pantay yung hearing, so meron ka talagang dizziness. And vision, yung vision namin, gumagalaw din. So, if you're going to look at us, of course, parang nothing is wrong because, physically, it's okay. We look okay. But of course, hindi mo naman makikita physically ang deafness, diba? You would probably only notice that pag naglalakad kami, especially when it's not well lit, yung environment, we would be like, yeah.
But as a powerhouse vocalist, paano mo kinaya emotionally and mentally yung ganon challenge?
It was hard.
Yeah.
It was really hard, really, especially yung first year from the time na nagkasakit kami. It was really hard for me to listen to the sound.
Yeah.
Yeah. I do not know because siguro nga hindi pantay. But, minsan kasi di ba merong tao na deaf, completely deaf or partially deaf. They probably had gotten used to, to that kind of situation. But, syempre sa akin, nangyari lang.
Biglang-bigla.
Biglang-bigla. So, it was really something very new to me and very, it was very devastating for me, especially for me who is a singer,
Yes, exactly.
It was difficult for me to decipher the sound. We cannot actually, we can hear people talk, but we cannot understand what they're saying. When it comes to music, I cannot decipher what particular song is that I'm listening to. It was all distortion. It was all... it was distorted.
So, was there ever a moment na naisip mo baka hindi ka na makabalik sa entablado?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, actually, sinabi ko talaga sa sarili ko na since this is the situation, I might as well not discontinue with singing.
Okay.
I-
So
I-
anong pinanghawakan mo nun? I mean, what kept you going?
Well, first, of course, I was like, if you are a person of nagdadasal ka naman, so parang nagmultiple, nagmultiple prayers ka, na, I don't know, I cannot remember if I was pleading to God, na,
It's okay, it's okay.
yeah. So I can't remember if I was pleading to God na sabi ko na to restore my hearing. Because of course, syempre naman, it was like, a ballet dancer who just broke her ankle. Sabi ko na, hindi na lang ako kakanta. Hindi talaga, I told that to myself.
Did you really stop? Or,
I cannot stop. I do
Yeah.
not know why. I tried to.
Yeah.
Pero singing kept on,
calling?
calling and kept on chasing me. But, sabi ko sa sarili ko, I'm not just going to, stop and just accept the
Yeah.
defeat, Ayoko naman ng ganun. And kapag tumigil akong kumanta, parang sinabi ko na rin na natalo ako.
Yeah,
Diba?
yeah. So what was your comeback project after that very difficult period?
Oh my gosh. Kasi it was 2020 yon. Yung The Clash, it was still ongoing, Nagtitaping kami. Yun na nga, nagkasakit nga ako. So, we were able to air, I think, 2 weekends of na nandun pa ako. And then after that, hindi na ako nakabalik. I think it was October. Oh, yan nga, October nga yun. And then, naging December na, no? And then they asked me if I can do the, yung Christmas presentation ng The Clash. Parang Christmas concert ng GMA7. Parang gano'n. And of course, sabi ko sa kanila, I cannot do it. I cannot do it. I cannot even hear my voice. I cannot hear my speaking voice. How am I supposed to sing?
Yeah.
And then they called me again. Sabi niya, sige, we'll work around it. We'll see what we can do. Parang talagang sa totoo lang, parang ang hirap nga kasi aside from hindi ko nadidinig yung boses ko, parang naging muffled ba yung boses ko. Yun yung feeling ko. At saka parang feeling ko, talagang ang laki-laki ng boses ko kasi nga, we were under steroids for a long time. So parang ang laki, diba? Parang ang laki ng boses ko, ang baba, ang kapal, in other words, iba talaga. I was really struggling. So, well, to make it short, I went back to that to do that project. So yun yung first appearance ko sa TV ng after nung nagkasakit.
Yeah.
And it was like it was really a bummer, I'm telling you. I didn't realize that I was like out of tune. Nagpa-flat ako. I was flat. Because lahat ng nadidinig ko flat. Lahat nung let's say whenever I listen to to music like sa YouTube or sa radio or sa TV,
Flat.
it's either flat or nagsa-sharp.
Yeah.
It was really pretty weird.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
So,
What kept you going?
what kept me going?
Yeah.
Well, I'm still alive,
Yeah.
Even if I have lost my one ear, I still have my lips, I still have my mouth, I still have my eyes, I still have my legs to walk. Yun na lang yun. I'm still, I'm still grateful that, my husband and I are still alive.
Yeah.
And we still get to, to do some things. Hindi na nga lang talaga.
But there's still
nagagawa
so many
lahat.
possibilities
Of
ahead.
course.
Yeah. Oo.
I'm still really grateful to God that, that our life was spared.
True. Marami pa po tayong pag-uusapan kasama ang batikang mga awit na si Miss Lani, Misalucha. Dito pa rin sa Art to Art, magbabalik po kami pagkatapos na ilang paalala.
Programang hatid ay sining at kulturang para sa lahat. Magbabalik ang Art to Art. Schedule ng mga inaabangang konsyerto. Update sa mga magagandang panoorin sa mga tanghalan at teatro. Narito na ang Art to Art Calendar.
Narito ang ating arts calendar. Sa sayaw, inihahandog ng Asian Grand Prix International Ballet Competition ang kanilang 15th anniversary gala sa August 16, 7:30 p.m. sa Aliw Theater, Pasay City. Kabilang sa magtatanghal ang mga batikang guest artists na sina Joy Womack, Boris Zirilov, Renata Shakirova at Kimin Kim at ang Alice Reyes Dance Philippines, Ballet Manila, Ballet Philippines at Philippine Ballet Theater. Maaring pumili ng ticket para sa gala sa ticketworld.com.ph. Sa pelikula at teatro, ninihahandog ng Cultural Center of the Philippines sa The Met live in HD ang biblical story ni Salome na isinaentablado ng Metropolitan Opera. Mapapanood dito sa August 12, 5:30 p.m. sa Cinema 1 ng Glorieta 4, Makati City. Komposisyon ito ni Richard Strauss batay sa original French play ni Oscar Wilde at libreto ni Hedwig Lachman. Tampok sina mezzo-soprano Elsa Van Den Heaver bilang Salome, tenor Gerard Siegel bilang King Herod at baritone Peter Matei bilang Jocanaan. Maaring bumili ng ticket sa ticket booth mismo o kaya online sa www.sureseats.com. Sa teatro, inihahandog ng Stages Production Specialists Incorporated kasama ang Music Artists Incorporated ang Dulang Kaliwaan mula August 22 hanggang 24 at August 29 hanggang 31 sa Mirror Studio Theater. Ang kaliwaan ay pagsasali ni Galan Varela Luarca ng Betrayal ni Harold Pinter. Sa direksyon ni Loy Arsenas, ito'y nagtatampok kina Missy Maramara, Nor Domingo at Ron Kapinding. Matatagpuan ang Mirror Studio Theater sa SJG Building, 8463 Kalayaan Avenue, Makati City.
Tinesting, sinuri, siniyasan. Ang resulta? Super effective ang Shield sa pagpatay ng bakterya at virus. Shield Antibacterial Soap. Believe ang mga eksperto sa Philippine Nurses Association. At si Mami.
Tiwala ako sa Shield.
Shield Antibacterial Soap. Napatunayang mabisa. Ang mga nurse, tiwala.
Hello, Washi! Laundry day na naman!
Yay! Anong meron?
Mancha ng chocolate, putik, may libag pa!
Kaya natin yan! With Pride Washing Machine Detergent, may triple stain-away formula. Tanggal ang makapit, madikit, at malupit na dumikmancha. Kaya easy-easy ang labada.
Mula noon hanggang ngayon!
All you need is pride. All you need is pride. ACS.
Usapang sining at kultura para sa lahat. Art to Art.
Andito pa rin tayo sa Art to Art at kasama pa rin natin ang Asia's Nightingale na si Miss Lani, Misalucha. So, Lani, in 2004, you made history as the first Asian artist to headline a main showroom in Las Vegas and also the first Filipino to hold a 6-month stint there. Wow. So, what was that chapter of your life like, performing in iconic venues and representing Filipino talent on that stage?
Well, it was really beautiful experience. I get to perform to different, people, iba-ibang lahi, because Las Vegas is a tourist destination, so there's a lot of mga Asian, mga ibang mga tao na galing, of course, sa ibang mga countries. So it was really that period. I would really take it to me for the rest of my life because, I get to meet the Society of Seven. I was, I was performing with the Society of Seven, and I was really grateful, really grateful that I get to be there,
Yeah.
perform there, and be acknowledged as a nation or as a Filipino. Yeah.
Yeah, that was after our ballet and ballads.
Yes.
Na. We were very sad to see you go.
Yeah, that was the time na my husband and I finally decided to migrate.
Yeah,
that time. Yeah.
That's right. That's right.
And-
But for many years you have been supporting different advocacies through your concerts, whether through contributing the proceeds or performing for free. So paano ito nagsimula at bakit patuloy mo itong ginagawa?
Well, syempre kasi kailangan din naman natin na yun na may humihinging tulong, di ba? Mag-extend tayo ng tulong hanggat kaya natin, bakit hindi?
Yes,
Yeah.
oo. And that's the way you can help, no? By
Exactly,
singing. Yeah.
yes.
Oo. Okay. So actually, at this point, we're gonna talk about ang pinakamalagang bagay. Your upcoming concert, Still Lani, which is scheduled this coming August 21 at the theater at Soler.
Correct.
So, what kind of classical musical journey can the audience expect? What is this concert like for the audiences, and sino-sinong makakasama mo?
Well, yun nga, itong August 21 na concert na ito, para sa akin, it is a special concert for me. Number one, this is going to be my first time, again, to perform as a solo concert.
Yeah.
After nga nung nagkasakit ako. Kasi marami naman akong nagawang mga concerts,
Yeah.
pero hindi ko solo.
Yes,
may
yes.
mga kasama ako.
Oo.
Pero ito yung solo concert ko, ang na ganito na yung sitwasyon ko. And then second, it is my birthday month. And then third, what makes this special is because parang celebration na rin to ng 40 years ko sa industry. And you asked nga kanina, 40 years, paano nangyari 40 years? Kailan ka ba nag-start? Yeah, we talked about, I started nung 15 years old ako. So, ito yung parang, kumbaga, somehow, parang gift ko na rin sa sarili ko dahil nga matagal akong hindi nag-solo concert.
Yeah.
So, this is going to be on August 21 sa Soler Theater. And we're going to have a 40-piece orchestra.
Wow.
Yes. Under the direction of Toma Kayabyab. Bali, anak na po yung mga kasama namin ngayon.
Oo nga. Oo nga.
It only proves na na ganito na yung edad namin. So anyway, si Toma Kayabyab, and then I have a special guests, marami. Ben and Ben.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Tagmo naman ang mga kasama ko ng mga bagets na ngayon.
Mga bagets. Yeah.
And I also have theater actor, si Paeng and si Shaira. And this duo na napaka-talented, si Nara and Liana. Liana, tama ba? Lian and Nara. Yon.
Okay.
And of course, this is like, I just wanted to take our audience to the life that I lived, and to the different kind of music that I was able to experience in my life. So that's what I'm going to be sharing to my audience that night.
Naku, I can anticipate it's going to be very emotional.
Yeah. I'll try not to to have it that way.
But Lani, looking back, ano yung masasabi natin mong pinaka mahalagang natutunan mo tungkol sa sarili mo bilang babae, bilang artist, bilang isang tao, mula sa lahat ng pinagdaanan mo in the last 40 years?
Oh my gosh. Siguro, isa lang talaga na mayroong Diyos, mahal tayo ng Panginoon Diyos, at kailangan pa rin tayo na maging magandang example sa ibang tao. And we really siguro lang talaga yung naisip ko na, I guess we really just have to live our life to the fullest and be good. Just simply be good. I'm not saying na masama ako. No, it's just, yeah, there's still a lot of, endless possibilities.
Okay,
Even if we have gotten to this point in our life we're in. Honestly, ako, na lang ako tawag mo dito, take it easy lang naman ako. Somehow medyo naglalaylo na rin naman ako. Pero lumalapit pa rin talaga ang ang mga trabaho. Gusto ko talagang semi-retired na rin naman ako. And now I just really look forward to being healthy more, much stronger, even if this is my current medical condition. But I really still wanted to be strong and healthy for me to be able to spend more time with my grandkids. I just really love, spending time with them. And they always look forward to having sleepovers in our house whenever, pag nasa Las Vegas kami. And they would just like barge in and like, even if I'm so tired, but I really enjoy every minute of being with them and pampering them.
Okay, yeah.
That's
Family is everything, no?
Family is, yes, exactly.
Well, at para naman mabigyan natin ang ating mga listeners and viewers ng isang espesyal na sneak preview ng darating na Still Lani Concert. Ladies and gentlemen, let us all welcome Miss Lani Misalucha.
Hirap palang umibig sa tamang panahon, kung bakit ngayon ko lang natagpuan ang isang katulad mo. Sana noon pa nakilala, sana noon pa lang na ang puso ay malaya pang magmahal. Bukas na lang kita mamahalin, sabay sa paglaya ng ating mga puso. Bukas na lang kita mamahalin. Oh, kay hirap pala umibig sa di tamang panahon, kung bakit ngayon ko lang natagpuan ang isang katulad mo. Sana noon pa kita nakilala, sana noon pa lang na ang puso ay malaya pang magmahal. Bukas na lang kita mamahalin, sabay sa paglaya ng ating mga puso. Bukas na lang kita, bukas
Lani!
So very
Maraming salamat. Napaiyak ako. Ay, ang daming ala-ala.
Magagandang alaala naman yun.
Magagandang ala-ala talaga.
Maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat. Sino nga ba ang director ng iyong Still, Lani?
It's Calvin Neria.
Calvin Neria. And again, for tickets, you can go to...
Oh yes, please just go to ticketworld.com. Doon niyo po masa-search.
Yeah.
Just look for Still Lani.
Yes.
Bili na kayo.
Oo, mga kaibigan.
ticket dyan.
Kita-kita po tayo August 21 sa Theater Soler, Still Lani.
Good to see you. Thank you so very much. Thank
Okay.
you.
Hanggang sa susunod na linggo, samahan ninyo kami ulit dito sa Art to Art, kung saan ang usapang sining at kultura ay para sa lahat. Ito po si Lisa Macuja Elizalde, nagpupugay sa artistang Pilipino.